Hi, welcome to my channel Techie Krish or GAG Agra. So, in the context of my Google Sheets tutorial, today I have brought Google Translate, which is a very prominent function of Google, which is used to translate the data from one language to another. And on the other end, and the second function which I am going to discuss is Sparkline chart. This chart enables a user to insert a chart in the cell. Means you can create a small chart as per the name or as per the data. So if you want to create the chart and want to fit this chart into the particular cell, this chart helps you. So let's move to our Google Sheet. So here this is my Google Sheet, and what I want to create I want to create a column, and in that column what I want to um, translate the names of these students which are in column C, because I'm going to insert a column before the name. So let's check. So this is name column, and before this I want to insert a column. So I'll select the column C, then going to insert a column left to this. Okay, so this column I have created, and this is to translate this name into Hindi. So to translate English to Hindi, there are some language codes, or yes, language codes. Like for English, the code is EN, and for Hindi, the code is HI, and there may be so many languages which you can convert from one language to another. So over here I have created a column, and after creating the column I write name. This is name in Hindi. Then selecting the cell, and after selecting the cell, I'll apply Google Translate. So equal, then Google Translate, and see, after typing the function Google Translate, it is asking for the text. So text is my column D, which is the names of these students. So they are in these names are in English, and I want to translate them into Hindi. So my range is D2 to D41, and code is, the source code is English, so I write English in double quotes. Then the target language is Hindi, so I'll type HI in Hindi in double quotes. And simply press the enter. Now it is loading from one language to another. So it comes as Akanksha. Since the name is in English is Akanksha, now when it is converted using Google Translate, it is coming in Hindi. Now what I want to copy, drag down towards the end of the column. Now it is again loading. and you see the entire D column is translated into Hindi. Correct? So now it's time to apply a Sparkline chart. So to apply a Sparkline chart, what I will do, I'll type equal, then Sparkline, and the range for which I want to create the line chart or the Sparkline chart. So Sparkline chart could be of any form. The default form is line chart, and after that you can give the chart type, which could be bar chart or the column chart or whichever chart you want. So this time I am going to show you how to create this Sparkline chart, which is line chart, and it is fit into the cell only. So I am going to create that chart. To see here, Sparkline. Then it is asking for the range, so I am taking the range from here, means from E column to J column, and I am creating the chart in AM column. So see here, and as soon as I press the enter key, it gives me the line chart here. So see here, and if I want to copy this chart, I'll simply drag down till the end of the record like this, and this way the whole chart is created. Now this is the whole chart, and this is not the end of creating the chart. It can have multiple charts, like if you want to create the bar chart, if you want to create the column chart. For that you'll have to try something else and in addition to. So what I'm going to do that way. I'll apply chart type, and it should be in double quotes and curly brackets. Colon, what is the chart type? Suppose I am taking bar chart. Semicolon, if need be, because other parameters are also available, like uh, axis and axis color, we can check. But if you omit those axis and axis color, it still works on default colors. So see here, so I have given chart type as bar. Now see what happens. So it gives me a chart type. So if I want to copy this chart to rest of the cells, I can simply drag down from one cell to, now this is, I have taken first I have taken the bar chart, and this is the column chart, and if I want to copy this from one cell to another, so I'll drag down towards the end, till the end I'll drag down, and this way the entire column M column will be filled with the column chart. So this way we can use the Sparkline chart, which is very useful for the students and for you teachers. So here we discussed Google Translate, we discussed Sparkline chart, and different forms of the charts. Maybe this is the default chart. The default chart type is Sparkline chart type is line chart, and in addition to that, you can use the bar chart. You can use the column chart, whichever chart you want to. So this is how we can create this Sparkline chart, and this is how we can use the Google Translate in my Google Sheets. So how do you like it? Kindly give a comment in the description box, and we'll meet in the next video. If you want to share this video with your friends, I'll be highly obliged. And if you have not subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe it so that you'll get the notification of my video as and when new video is created. So we'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.